Lavelier Skin Care is marketed as a luxury skincare brand featuring marine-based ingredients, anti-aging formulas, and products that supposedly smooth wrinkles. But the real question is, does it actually smooth skin? Now, to be fair, Lavelier is a real skincare brand, and many of its products contain common skincare ingredients, such as moisturizers, peptides, botanical extracts, and hydrating compounds that can improve how skin looks and feels temporarily. What it does well may improve skin hydration. Well-hydrated skin often appears smoother and plumper because fine lines have become less noticeable, can create temporary smoothing effects. Some ingredients and tightening formulas can make skin feel firmer or smoother shortly after application. Where the hype falls apart, temporary smoothing is not the same as reversing aging. This is the biggest issue. Skin can appear smoother because of hydration and cosmetic effects, but that does not mean wrinkles or aging are being dramatically reversed. Very high pricing raises expectations. Premium pricing can lead buyers to expect life-changing results that skincare products rarely deliver. Mixed customer experiences exist. Some users report positive experiences, while others feel the products did not justify the cost. So, does Lavelier actually smooth skin? Short answer, yes, possibly, but mostly through hydration and cosmetic effects rather than dramatic skin transformation. Many skincare products can temporarily improve skin texture and make skin appear smoother. The bigger question is whether the improvement justifies the price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.